Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare online in Australia. First, confirm your eligibility for Medicare benefits. You generally qualify if you are an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or a New Zealand citizen living here. Some temporary residents from countries with reciprocal health care agreements may also be eligible. Before you begin, ensure you have all required identification documents ready, such as your passport or IMI card and visa details if applicable. This preparation will streamline your application process. Next, you will need a MyGov account. If you don't have one, create it on the MyGov website. Once logged in, link your MyGov account to Medicare. This step is essential for accessing Medicare services digitally. It's crucial that your personal details, like your name and date of birth, are consistent across all linked government services to avoid delays. You might need your existing Medicare card number or a linking code, which you can obtain by calling Medicare to complete this connection. Now, let's move on to the application itself. Sign into your MyGov account and select the Medicare service. Look for the Enroll in Medicare option and follow the step-by-step prompts. You will be asked to provide personal details and upload supporting documents, such as your passport, visa details, and proof of Australian residency. Make sure all uploaded documents are clear and legible. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered for accuracy. After submitting your online application, you will receive a confirmation message. Medicare generally processes applications within a few weeks, though it can sometimes take up to 8 weeks during busy periods. Once approved, your physical Medicare card will be mailed to the address you provided. In the meantime, you can often access a digital version of your Medicare card through the MyGov app, allowing you to use services while awaiting your physical card. Keep an eye on your MyGov inbox for updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.